In my last video, I showed you how to generate unlimited images for free using one of the best text-to-image models, FLUB, and even transform them into cinematic videos. But many of you asked two key questions. First, Google Colab is slow. How can we overcome this limitation? Second, how can we create consistent characters for our projects? Today, I'll introduce you to some game-changing tools that not only solve these problems, but also allow you to create stunning images fast and completely free. As a bonus, I'll show you how to transform these images into jaw-dropping cinematic and custom-style videos. Take a look at some of the incredible images I've generated and watch as they come to life in amazing videos. This image generation tool doesn't just create stunning visuals, it also helps you craft perfect prompts effortlessly. Plus, I'll share an option that makes it simple to create consistent characters in any style, ensuring your projects look professional and cohesive. While this option for creating consistent characters is free, it does come with daily limits. But don't worry. I'm already working on another video where I'll show you how to use Comfy UI to generate unlimited consistent characters locally. The image generation portal we'll use to craft prompts and generate unlimited images is Mistral AI. I've also included the link in the video description. Okay? Right? So let me first open the website using the URL I have mentioned. If in your case, it asks you to sign in first, you can sign in using your Gmail or Microsoft ID. I already have signed in. After signing, you will get the screen like this. If you have used ChatGPT, the interface looks kind of similar to that, because this is also the ChatGPT that allows us to generate images, and the same tool we are going to use for generating different prompts. Okay, so let's start with the image generation, and for that, I'll click on this image generation icon, and I'll try with a simple prompt, a wizard casting a spell. In the jungle, and I can press enter or click on this icon. So I'll press enter, click on it and it will start. As you can see, it is generating an image. So let's wait for that image to generate. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, and as you can see, and this, it has generated an awesome image, right? And you can click on this icon and download this one as well, right? So this is the image it generated, and it really looks awesome, right? Okay, so let's try another one. I'll just try an image of a beautiful women in Disney picture style. And again, and see, as you can see, it is saying generating an image, and look how awesome it is, right? The quality of this image, the contrast, everything looks amazing, right? And you can generate unlimited images using this portal. So right now, as I mentioned, this is free as of now, but maybe in the future they will start charging some dollars. That I'm not sure, but yeah, right now it is completely free. Okay, so now let's see how we can utilize this tool to generate prompts. Okay, so for that I'll just click on this plus icon, that is a new chat, and then I'll just remove this one, make sure that nothing is selected, and I'll enter. Could you please give me a simple prompt? To generate an image of a wizard. Let me try the same one. Doing the spell. Let's see what it gives. Okay, so as you can see, this is the prompt it has given. Okay, so let's try this one. So for that, again, I will go to new chat and I will select image generation, and then I will enter the prompt that it gave, and I will hit enter. And it has started generating the image. Let's wait for this to be generated.
And it looks awesome. As you can see, the
Que
image
hemos generado usando este prompt se ve mucho mejor que lo que generamos inicialmente usando un prompt simple. Because whenever we ask this tool to give us the prompt, it adds some additional details, right? So for example, you can see wise old wizard, then mystical forest. All these things it already added to make this image much better. So it provides some additional details, right? So same way, if you want to have some image generated, you can utilize the same tool. If you already have the prompt available, that is fine. Go ahead and generate the image. But if you think that you need some guidance or suggestion, then you can utilize this tool, and it will help you to give you the better prompt based on whatever that you want to generate. And then you can place that particular prompt to generate the images. So try it at your end and let me know in the comment section how it worked at your end, and if in case you face any challenge or issues at your end. For generating consistent characters, I will show you two options. That way, if you hit the daily usage limit on one, you can easily switch to the second. Okay, so let me open the URL. So we are going to use Hugging Face Space for generating the image. This is the space that has been developed by this person, and obviously all credit goes to this person, and it is used purely for Flux and allows us to generate multiple consistent characters, right? Based on the reference image. So for most of the settings, if you want to change width, height, then you can change it based on your need. If you want to have 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 image, you can accordingly change it. I would suggest keep everything same while you generate the consistent character. So let's get started. I'll first select an image. Maybe I'll select this one, and then I will say superhero girl. But all right. And as you can see, a beautiful image has been generated, right? And it looks exactly the same as the reference image, right? So it looks really good. So I can download using this download button, and you can see the image, and this is the main image, and this is the reference image I had, right? Let's try another one.
Realistic photo of a beautiful girl.
Inside a forest. Let me try this one, and let's see what it gives. I'll click on generate. Again, it will take some time. So let's wait for this processing to complete. Okay, and see the quality of the image it generated, right? It looks awesome, isn't it? And the face you can see, you cannot tell that these two are exactly the same images, right? So accordingly, you can change the prompt and also use this generate multiple consistent characters. Okay, these are some of the references if you want to take some guidance on the prompt. You can also look at it. So here are some of the examples given. So let me try one more with my image. So I'll just upload my image, and I will say a holding sign, glowing yellow and red text, and I'd say welcome. Okay, and then I'll click on generate. And see the image quality it generated, right? It looks amazing, correct? The image characteristic, face is the same. And then look at the image quality, contrast, color combination, lighting. Everything looks amazing, right? And you can download from here, and then you can look at the image, what you've generated, right? And this is really very good. Okay, so this is how you can use our first option. And obviously, as I mentioned, there is some limit. After some time, it will stop generating the image for you. For that, I'm going to show another option that also allows you to generate the consistent character. So let me show that option to you. Again, this is another one, also generated by the same person, and all credit goes to this person. This image not only creates the consistent character, but also a kind of, allows you to merge multiple images. So if you want to have two images merged together, you can also do that. I will show it just as a difference, just for creating the consistent character. I'll select the same image, and then maybe I'll give a prompt that portrait, and then
Comic character. Okay. And let me
click on generate. And again, it has started generating. And see the images that are generated. It has generated 4 options, and everything looks amazing, right? Like iconic character, isn't it? So you can utilize this call that allows you to give multiple option. Let me try one more. I'll just give portrait, and then maybe sticker art. So let's see what kind of image it generates. I'll click on generate again.
and here it is, like it
This is an amazing tool, right? So you can see that the images look like stickers now. So whatever reference image you have, you can create any number of characters, consistent characters, using this image based on the prompt, based on the style you want. Okay, so again for this one, try it on your end. I am again reiterating, these options are available, but not for the big projects, because after a certain generation, it will stop working for you. And you'll have to wait for another day, next day, to generate the remaining image. this. So I'm working on another option that is Comfy UIs, in which you can generate the similar kind of images locally. So wait for my next image. But till that time, you can try and, play around with these options. Here are some additional videos I've generated using Kling. It's a paid tool, but there's currently an offer where you can get it for just $4 a month. And just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. Now, let me show you how it works. So the website name is klingkai.com. So once you go to this website, it will ask you to log in. So once you log in, you will get some free credit, and you also get some daily free credit that you can use for generating different videos. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So for that, you just go to AI videos, and these are some of the videos that I've generated. Let me show you. So for example, this one, right? So I just have added holding sign, right? I just uploaded the image. I have made a holding sign and clicked on generate, and then look at the image that, look at the video that it has generated, right? Similarly, this one, right? This one is the one when I passed this particular image, I didn't give anything, right? Then it automatically figured out what kind of image it is and what kind of video should be generated. So this is a kind of awesome video that it has generated. And similarly, I already have shown different videos that I have generated using this method. So either you can give some prompt, kind of short prompt, and then, or you can sometimes leave it blank, so that Kling automatically finds out what kind of video it needs to generate. And most of the time, it generates a perfect video. Okay, so try it out. Let me know how it works for you. And if you face any issue or challenge, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.